Job interview. Hello, my name is Jamie Juliana Flor, and I have 3 years of experience in administration and international business. My professional journey began at 19 when I entered at PepsiCo Alimentos as part of my technology degree in international business. After 6 months, I worked for a company selling air conditioners, where I served as an administrative assistant for 1 year. Currently, I work at a custom agency where I've gained experience in project management and teamwork for 1.5 years. I consider myself proactive with strong teamwork skills. In my last project, I led a team to implement a digital solution that improved efficiency by 30%. I enjoy learning new things and adapting to new challenges. My greatest achievement was implementing that digital solution, which I accomplished by working in a team and utilizing my project management skills. I've also improved my conflict resolution skills, enabling me to work effectively in teams. I love to work for a company that innovates and continuously improves. In my experience, companies that focus on innovation achieve great results. I like thinking outside the box and finding creative solutions. I get along well with others and enjoy teamwork. I'm willing to help when needed and learn on the go. I'm excited about the opportunity to work for a company like yours and contribute to its success. Thank you for your time and consideration. I'm looking forward to discussing my application with you. Thank you very much.